So if you feel your child is unable to hold the crayon in this position, so there are more tips for you. Tell them to make one crocodile mouth with your hand like this. Once they are comfortable doing this, tell them to do it with your 3 fingers and a thumb like this. When they are comfortable with this position, tell them to stop using their second finger. With 2 fingers and a thumb, they have to do same thing. When they are comfortable with this position, you can take a cloth clip, which is very easily available at home, and start doing the same thing with this. Use only 2 fingers and a thumb. Pick one cotton ball and drop it in a container. Again, pick and drop. Pick and drop. When they're comfortable doing this pick and drop, bring it to this activity, a bowl with some pulses. Tell them to use same those fingers. Pick and drop. Pick and drop. Pick and drop. Once they are familiar with these finger movements, they will easily hold the crayon. When they are easily able to hold this crayon, tell them these 2 fingers to rest the other fingers. And this way they will come to this right position of holding a crayon or a pencil. Thank you.